guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to play 360-degree videos on your Windows 11 using VLC media player. Okay, so for this guys, first you need to update your VLC media player. To update the player, just open the VLC media player on your PC and go to help and go to check for updates. From here you can easily able to update your VLC media player. Okay, after updating, now go to media and go to open file and select your 360-degree video and just click on open. Okay, now it will open your video. As you can see guys, now if you want to view the 360-degree videos different angle, just use your mouse to rotate your video like this. Rotate right, left, up, down to view your whole 360-degree videos. Okay, as you can see in my screen. So that's it for today guys, the short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.